Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial how I fix this iPhone that the ringing tone is pretty low. So you need to go to setting. So go to setting and then under accessibility, and you want to go down and scroll down to audio and visual, and make sure this phone noise cancellation it is in off position. If it's on like this, your ringing tone is going to be around like medium to low. Okay, let's go and then check it out. So at first I check on the silent switch. It was on the on position, which is down like that. Okay, and make sure your silent switch is back to normal so I get a ring. So let's go and then test it out real quick and then show you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the phone noise cancellation back on, and gonna call the phone, and let's go and do a test. So you see the ringing tone is pretty low, even though the volume is set on the highest. And now I'm gonna turn this phone noise cancellation off, and then I'm gonna call again. And call again to test out. So now it's...
Did I tell you Uncle Matt's gonna bring my dad over here? I did?
Do you call now?
I'm hot.
No, do you call?
Oh. I thought you said I'm cold.
So yeah.